Lehmar GmbH, general importer for Marsars ice rescue systems in Europe. We launch your wishes. Ice rescue equipment and accessories. A decisive factor with ice rescue operations on ice is time. The very cold water beneath the ice surface, which is hardly ever warmer than 1 or 2 degrees centigrade, lets the body temperature decrease within a very short period of time, 27 times faster than air. Within a quarter of an hour, depending on the circumstances, a human can die of hypothermia. A lot of solutions are currently being examined: scaling ladders, planks, spine boards, special baskets, rubber dinghies on skates, inflatable devices such as footbridges, tubes amongst others, but all have one thing in common: the setup time until the device is fully usable, including the vehicles and their special technical specifications, plus the time they need to get to the rescue site, lead to enormous time delays before the rescue of one or more persons who have fallen through frozen ice can even begin. Also, the rescue devices so far prove to be disadvantageous and provide little safety measures for the rescuers themselves. In cooperation with the American company and inventors Marsars, Lehmar GmbH provides IRSS, the most efficient equipment for rescue operations on ice currently on the market. Besides diverse details which shall be explained later, the rescue board IRSS has many features. It is particularly light and always ready for action. It minimizes setup and arrival time for rescuers. It has a great bearing capacity outside and on water. The rescue and support of up to 2 people happens by means of a special rescue and retaining lead. A subsequent transport of rescued people via helicopter or ambulance is possible without shifting the rescued people to a different stretcher. But most importantly, the ice rescue happens from a safe distance. Thanks to this equipment, ice rescue forces only require ambulance vans that seat 3 people when rescuing people. Further vehicles that are needed for saving people's lives, such as ambulances, emergency doctors' cars, helicopters and turntable ladders, can follow, whilst the rescue mission on ice is already beginning. This supplies rescuers with a crucial time advantage, which cannot be achieved with other devices. The rescue kit consists of 3 main elements: the Ice Rescue Safety Shuttle IRSS, the Cold Water Rescue Sling, and Buoyant Ice Rescue Reel. The ice rescue board is made of polyethylene and is 2 meters long, 70 centimeters wide, 16 centimeters in height, and only weighs 13.5 kilograms. It has a buoyancy of over 100 kilograms. It can either be carried or pulled by the rescuer. Also, it can be moved by special ice awls, thanks to its smooth undersurface with skids. The integrated hoisting system with arm strap, recovery ring for the rescue loop, a 4 times underdriven pulley block, and body roll enhances the chain of recovery like never before, and thus enables a very swift, largely automatic and secure rescue of a person who broke into an icy patch. Thanks to a safety belt, the rescuer is permanently attached to his rescuing device, even if he has to leave it in order to rescue a person. Carrying handles that are attached to the ice rescue board enable to transport a person on land to a waiting ambulance or helicopter. When handed over to an emergency doctor, the rescued person does not have to be shifted to another stretcher, which minimizes further injury of an already injured and freezing person. The carrying capacity of the handles was measured to lift people with a special 4-to-1 lifting gear in areas that are difficult to reach and overcome. The cold water rescue sling is an additional device for the rescuer to help people who cannot actively assist their rescuers, for example because their arms are already stiff from the cold. The buoyancy chassis, which is made out of expanded polystyrene and is equipped with a safety belt in the side, can be affixed either to the Ice Rescue Safety Shuttle or the second end of the rescue and retaining lead. Thus, 2 people can be rescued at the same time. Velcro tape, which is attached to the rescue sling, enables the narrowing of the diameter and thus helps adjusting the rescue sling to the body size of the rescued person, such as with children. The rescue and retaining lead is made of polypropylene and is capable of floating, like the reel. The standard length of the lead is 92 meters. Other reels are available with 168 and 260 meters of lead. The end of the lead can be unhinged from the reel in order to extend it. The end of the lead to which the rescued person is attached has 2 ends that lie approximately 2 meters apart. This end, which has 2 stainless steel carabiners, is kept afloat by extra buoyant units. Every lead reel has a splash guard with an integrated reel brake, a crank to retract the lead after the mission, and a carrying belt with a lug to attach an ice anchor. A Velcro fastener for a Guardian personal marker light. Following helpful accessories are also available. A practical bag for stowing the ice rescue bag away, ice awls, ice anchor, Guardian PMLs in red or yellow for rescue missions in twilight or darkness, and a deflection pulley for an alternating transport of materials to a rescue scene in a field of ice.